Manny, Pagan Travel. I am today in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. It's about a 2-hour drive from where I live in New Jersey. And we're here in the nature. As you can see, the trees are starting to change their colors. The leaves are falling and we are very well in fall. And, you know, it's going to get better than this, of course. But we're here early. It's still September, last day of September. But look at this beauty. And we're going to explore the city. We're only here for a couple of hours and then we're going back. So let's see what we actually can find here. And let's see if you guys actually like this place. So far, I'm in love. So let's check it out. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that we can push these videos out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Let's go. Getting in the train.
Why you caught me when I was young?
Okay, so we got our tickets. We chose the opener just to get that fresh air in. You can get main cabin, you can get the ones with the tables. They're more expensive. This one was about like $24 for adults each, so not bad. Another place that you could visit is the Asa Packer Mansion. Really nice here. I'll leave the link where you can get all the information for the mansion. We didn't do the tour, but it's definitely one of the top places that you could come to here in Jim Thorpe. So here's another view of the mansion. Really nice. It looks really, really nice. And then over here we have the Harry Packer Mansion. This one actually offers a bed and breakfast inn. So I believe you can stay here, and they also do murder mystery weekends. So that'll be pretty cool for those that like that kind of thing. So they're both next to each other, and then you obviously see the city right over here. So we're like kind of like in a hill, and we lost our breath here, but really beautiful, guys. I really do like the city. Very nice and charming. Reminds me of Harper's Ferry, West Virginia, and this is awesome, guys. I'm happy I'm here. All right, guys, and we are basically at the center of town, Jim Thorpe. Look at this, guys. It's beautiful, charming, amazing. You got shops here, you have places to eat, dining, you know, lodging. It's really, really nice, and pretty much right in front of the train station that we just rode, and the river is right in front of that. So really nice, guys.
All right, ready? Your hand. Go ahead in there with them, then, Trace. I said,
So this is the historic Race Street. Looks really cool. Kind of has a little bit of St. Augustine, Florida in it. These all have a colonial look to them. Very nice. The St. Mark's Church. Here's Moya, which looks like a pretty cool place to eat. They have some pretty good stuff here, like fresh gnocchi, crab cakes, salmon, shrimp, red curry, ginger, coconut milk, cilantro. That's something that definitely to try. Here's some desserts. There's leches, creme brulee. Unfortunately, they're closed on Mondays, but we were down. We were so down. So we'll have to look somewhere else. But Race Street, man, looks really cool. Really nice. Look at this. Very pretty. Jingle Bells Christmas shop here. Got the Christmas music ready.
With a little Halloween in it.
All right, so we decided to go with Uros. Let's see how it is. So here's a bruschetta, shrimp bruschetta.
And they put like a balsamic dressing on top. It's so good.
Okay, so I ordered the pork slider with fries. Comes with a coleslaw. And those are the Wagyu sliders with fries. All right, so we just got out. What are your overall impressions of this place?
So it's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Is that 10 out of 10 for you?
Ambiance, the service was amazing, and the food was really, really good. So
That's good.
Appetizers and everything.
I also enjoyed it myself. I thought it was pretty good. So recommend it.
All right, where to now?
Yeah. We also stopped in Woods Ice Cream. Great stuff. Got my twist with rainbow sprinkles. And so I know like the Leaning Tower pizza. This is the best thing in the world. Walking around with your pregnant wife, the baby, in nature. Beautiful views like this. Amazing. Okay, so we got to the Flagstaff Mountain Overlook Park, and unfortunately it's closed. It seems that there's some construction going on here, but I'm pretty sure it will be an absolutely perfect place to see the amazing view of Jim Thorpe. So this is what it looks like here, and you know, out there you'll see basically the amazing view of the river, this whole area, but unfortunately we cannot cross. Everything's blocked off with this beautiful brick or rock fence, and it says, "Welcome to the Flagstaff for public safety during the remodeling construction phase of this project. This site will be closed to the public. We're looking forward to your visit, when we reopen." So I'm not sure if this is like a restaurant here or something like that, but if it is, it looks really nice already. It looks like they're finishing up the project, and it will be a phenomenal place to eat if it's a restaurant. If it's not a restaurant, either way, just an outlook, then it'll be a great place to do that as well. And we are all packed and ready to head back to Jersey. It was a fun day here. So my final thoughts. Do I recommend this place? I absolutely do. If you want to stay here for 1 or 2 days, explore the area, the shops, the restaurants, do rafting here, whatever it is that you want to do, this is a great place to do it, and you're not going to regret it. So that is it for this video. Remember to always like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, so that way you can always stay on top of all the places that we're going to. I announced a couple months ago that I have a really cool thing that I'm going to announce, but I still have not found the courage to say just yet on the channel. So I will, and you guys are really gonna like it, so stay tuned.